How to change your Roblox age if under 13. So first what you want to do is just simply type in roblox.com/support. So this is the most effective way to do this. And it is the only way I think that could really work. So basically go to here, then just simply fill out all the options that we have right here. So just input your own email address. Once you've put your email address, just go here on issue details and select the device that you are using and type of help category and just simply click on age-based settings and accounts with parental privileges. And here just simply click on change child age right here. And now just simply put in the description. So you just simply type in this one. So please help me fix my age. When I made this account, I was carefree and accidentally clicked the wrong year. So this might be the best way or excuse so that Roblox can really help you on fixing this problem. So after that, just simply click on continue. You could change this description if you want, but just stick to this idea that you clicked the wrong year or you set it to the wrong year. Now just simply click on continue and wait for Roblox to email back to you. So if Roblox sent you a reference number on your email, what you will do with that reference number is go back to the support right here and make a new contact information and just type in the reference number and stuff and just say that's the reference number and what I should do next. So just basically follow the instructions that Roblox support will give you through your email. And that's how you basically change your Roblox age if you're under 13.